Hey, if you haven't noticed already, the Financial Architects has been publicizing a lot of content on social media. The need for financial services has never been so great. The average person that does what I do is roughly about 63 years old. You've got almost $100 trillion worth of wealth being passed down from one generation to the next. So if you've ever wondered to yourself, what kind of life insurance should I get? Should I get a term insurance policy or a permanent insurance policy? Can I roll over my old IRA or 401k? And which is the best option to roll it over into? What is this tax-free retirement or be your own bank plan that I keep hearing about? College planning is super important in the future. It's getting more and more expensive to go to college. And what's the proper asset allocation that I could take advantage of inside of my 401k at my job? I'm tasked with the big responsibility of helping somebody that's making $30,000 a year. The breadwinner needs a little $30, $35 term insurance policy. And then the wealthy person that's worth 20 and 30, sometimes $100 million to protect these assets and deal with the right estate plan is very important. So conversing with their attorney, conversing with the wealthy person's CPA, thinking about a strategy that can help them in the future to hedge a lot of the taxation that's going to be taking place long term. Should I refinance? Is a reverse mortgage the right action step to take? What are some tax planning options that I can utilize within the plan? Or what is the best exit strategy in this tax plan? Should I purchase another property, downsize my current property? What is the living trust option that I should go with? Is it a revocable living trust, a irrevocable living trust? All of those things, we can direct you to the right partner so that they can figure out some of the questions that you might have. And then, of course, business owners. Business owners are busy building their business. So majority of the time, they have business partners. So what happens if one partner, unfortunately, has cancer or heart attack or stroke or goes blind or has ALS or unfortunately meets their maker prematurely? They want to ensure that that percentage of their business still goes on to their heirs and their legacy, if that makes sense. So there's something called a buy-sell agreement that will ensure that they get some of the portion or a great percentage of the portion inside of their already successful business. The Financial Architect's mission statement is to educate and empower. We all know that knowledge is power when applied. So if you'd like to learn more, comment below so that we can get you the proper video and you could learn some of the basics behind what you're strategizing for the future. As a business owner, thinking to yourself, what is a buy-sell agreement? As a regular husband or wife, thinking to themselves, I need to protect my family and my family's assets. Or even as a person, just you individually thinking to yourself, what is my goal? Where am I going in the future? What is my retirement FIN, financial independence number? We'd love an opportunity to visit with you very soon. Thank you.